there's a new blockchain in town, the Sei Network specializes in one thing only: lightning-fast decentralized trading. This quick video will overview and explores exactly how Sei works, predictions for where its overlooked Sei coin heads next, and whether this crypto gem should be on your radar before it potentially 10x's. Overview. Sei is an open-source Layer 1 blockchain that is specialized for trading applications. It optimizes every layer of its technology stack to provide infrastructure for trading apps of all types. By using a new consensus mechanism and other technical innovations, Sei claims to be the fastest blockchain currently in existence. Sei also utilizes market-based parallelization to increase throughput by 5 to 10 times more than most other high-performance blockchains. It has mechanisms to prevent malicious front-running of transactions, which is a common issue faced by other ecosystems. Sei also supports order batching, simplifying the process for market makers to update multiple orders across different exchanges in one transaction that gets accurately routed by the chain. How the Sei network works. The Sei blockchain has a specialized architecture that is optimized for powering decentralized trading applications. This underlying structure allows it to achieve fast transaction speeds, strong security protections, and flexibility for developers building decentralized apps. Unlike other Layer 1 blockchains that focus on either general purposes or a narrow set of uses, Sei positions itself as a sector-specific Layer 1, particularly designed for decentralized exchanges. By specializing in this area, Sei can offer enhanced capabilities, targeted specifically at improving the functionality and scalability of trading platforms using blockchain technology. For example, Sei incorporates an order matching engine natively into the blockchain protocol itself to enable much higher throughput of trades. It also implements advanced consensus mechanisms and parallel processing techniques to achieve industry-leading transaction speeds needed for effective markets. Security features help prevent issues like front-running. The network is adaptable so developers can build customized trading decentralized apps. By taking a sector-focused approach, aimed at meeting the needs of high-performance trading decentralized applications, the Sei network provides an infrastructure tailored for this use case. The specialized architecture allows improved scalability, speed, security, and design flexibility for trading platforms over general-purpose blockchains. Sei Price Prediction and Analysis. Our current forecast predicts the price of Sei could drop about 2.18% to reach $0.71 by January 17, 2024. Our technical indicators show investor sentiment is slightly bullish right now, while the Fear and Greed Index suggests some greed in the market at 71. Over the past 30 days, Sei has seen 60% green days, meaning the price was up, with about 38% volatility during this period. So there has been decent upward price momentum recently, but also some major swings day to day. Based on our analysis of these various metrics, our prediction is that now could be a good time to buy Sei despite the potential small drop coming up. The recent momentum and greed suggest there could be further gains ahead still after a brief cooldown period, but investors should be ready for some continued big price swings along the way this month. Overall, we remain moderately bullish on Sei through mid-January. Sei Price Prediction 2026. Our Sei price forecast for the year 2026 puts the possible low price at around $0.87 and the high target at $1.73 for that year. Compared to the current Sei price today, reaching this upper prediction would represent a gain of about 134% by 2026. The low-end prediction would still be a decent increase from present day as well. Sei Price Prediction 2031. Jumping ahead to 2031, our Sei price model puts the projected low price for that year at $1.51 and the potential high at $1.91. Hitting the high-end target would mean Sei's price rising approximately 158% compared to today's valuations. Again, even just reaching the lower bound estimate would signify strong multi-year price growth for Sei between now and 2031. So our Sei forecasting model paints an optimistic longer-term picture, with the possibility of triple-digit percentage gains by the midpoint or end of this decade based on current price trajectory and historical trends. but users should view both the up and downside price predictions as rough scenarios among a wide range of possibilities that account for volatility. Key Sei price levels. Based on the current classical pivot point of $0.75 for Sei, there are several key price levels that are likely to act as support and resistance moving forward. In terms of support, where buying interest may emerge to lift prices, the analysis points to levels of $0.70, $0.66, and $0.61 as the strongest areas. If Sei's price happens to fall towards these prices, the historical data suggests buyers could step back in around these levels. On the resistance end, where selling pressure may materialize to drive prices lower, the key zones stand at $0.80, $0.85, and $0.89, so Sei may have difficulty sustaining pushes above those threshold prices. Sei Fear and Greed Index. The Sei Fear and Greed Index is currently at 71. This means investor sentiment is in the greed zone, according to the index. This index looks at several factors to gauge market sentiment related to Sei, including price volatility, trading volumes, social media chatter, and Google searches. It incorporates data across different timeframes as well. The index uses Bitcoin market data as a proxy for analyzing investor emotion. The index ranges from 0 to 100. A score of 0 to 24 represents extreme fear in the market. 25 to 49 is fear. 50 is a neutral sentiment. 51 to 75 indicates general greed. And 76 to 100 signals extreme greed. Some investors think periods of fear present good buying opportunities for assets like Sei, while periods of greed may signal a peak where selling makes sense. Right now, the index suggests there is quite high general greed and optimism towards Sei among investors. Is Sei a good buy in 2024? Our technical analysis forecasts are currently bullish on Sei going into 2024. Multiple quantitative indicators point towards continued positive momentum for Sei next year. Generally, a bullish prediction could signal that Sei is shaping up to be a good investment option for 2024. However, while technical factors like price history and indicators may suggest an asset is positioned for gains, it is also crucial to evaluate fundamental factors before deciding to buy Sei. These fundamentals include metrics of on-chain activity like transactions and new development work to expand the utility of blockchain networks. So while the technical trading signals indicate Sei has positive trends in its favor for 2024, investors should also dive deeper into on-chain data and protocol roadmaps before determining if Sei aligns with their portfolio strategies for next year. For investors interested in the growth of decentralized finance, DeFi, could the native SEI token be a cryptocurrency worth researching further and potentially adding to your watch list? Let me know in the comments section. And if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to Digital Financial Freedom for more videos covering innovative protocols and hot crypto assets.